Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Besa Perek Dal Mishnah Hey. Over here, Mishnah, we're going to discuss food preparations, different types of food preparations for Yom Tov. What are you and are you not allowed to do? So, en shovrim tacharetz and chodchin et haniyar litzlot bo madiach. You're not allowed to go ahead and break piece of pottery, earthenware, right, or cut some niyar. Niyar in modern day Hebrew is paper, but back then it was papyrus. Right, that's what they would use. You can't go ahead and cut it in order to, roast a, piece of fish, like a piece of salty fish. That's what maliach is. So what would they do? They would take this earthenware, this pottery, this shard of pottery or papyrus. They'd soak it in oil, put the fish on top, and they would go ahead and burn it, right, and cook on it. You can't do this because these items are muktzeh. You're not allowed to sweep out an oven or a stove top. Right over here also because these ashes are muktzeh. But what can you mechabeshin? You can pat it down with your hand in order to make some more room in the oven itself. Now I just point out also if it is Hanabam points out over here lalacha, if it's preventing him from cooking, right? It's totally filled up in the way. Then you are allowed to even remove the ashes by normal means as well. You can't go ahead and take two barrels, right? You put it over near a flame. You put two barrels in your side, and you put the pot right on top. You put a picture over here. You could see, two barrels, and you put the pot on top of it with the wood underneath. By the way, there's a picture of papyrus also from the Roman time period. So you can't go ahead and you do that. And so similarly, you're not allowed to go ahead and prop up a pot, right? A pan or a pot, right? With a bakat, with a piece of wood. Again, because the wood is made for fire, fire purposes, using it to, kindle a flame. Over here, though, you're using it to prop up something, so it's not what the wood is used for. That's muktzeh. Similarly, a doorway, a door, right? If you can't go ahead and prop up a door with a piece of wood, also because again, the wood is not used for that function. That's not what it's set aside for, right? So it's muktzeh, right? Rather, you can only use it for lighting a flame. Also, you're not allowed to use what else you're not allowed to use wood for. You also can't use it to lead an animal on Yom Tov. Over here, this is for a different reason. Over here, this looks like you're going to sell it in the shul. That's what Barton points over here, and that's why you wouldn't allow to do this as well. So again, different food preparations that are not allowed to be done on Yom Tov, right? Because of laws of muktzeh.